So Adobe is releasing brand new AI features for Premiere Pro, and as a video editor, I'm incredibly excited. But as always, with any AI tool, there are those who, for lack of a better word, are fearful for what it means for the creator economy and specifically for the editor economy. One of my friends on Twitter tweeted this about it. For now, it means lazy editors will just pump out more lazy and unoriginal content to wade through. Sad times, it seems. And as I thought about that specific idea that Kaz was talking about in Twitter, was that lazy editors will just keep churning out content, it stuck with me that this is nothing new. Whenever there is new tools or new technology or new platforms, there will always be those who, for lack of a better word, churn out content like a content mill, right? They're trying to just get more and more and more out there, and their more and more and more is never quality, it's always just quantity. And there has to be, right, quantity and quality together. You as a creator, or you as a creative, can't just pump out bad quantity stuff, right? You pumping out bad quantity stuff just hurts your business overall. But there are people, for short-term likes and short-term views and short-term clicks, will pump out the most amount of quantity that they can. And for some of these people, like, let's be honest, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. They're going to get, right, money, and they're going to get views, and they're going to get clicks, but it will not last them in the long run. What we've seen time and time again on the internet is people who use technology and tools with malicious intent or with wrong intent, right, lose in the long run. But those who use tools properly will succeed in the long run. So you as a video editor really have two options. You can go the short-term route and get as many views and clicks as you want, but you won't build a long-term brand. Or you can embrace tools and embrace technology and figure out how they're going to be leveraged into building your long-term brand. I believe Adobe's AI tools are actually a really great thing for you to build your long-term brand. I'm going to look and how I can implement them into my content over time. But, right, I'm never going to be dependent on AI tools or software, because that takes away from me as a content creator, and that takes away from me as a storyteller. You don't want to be dependent on technology. You want to be dependent on your content, your main idea, the thing you are driving forward. AI technology and any technology really should just enhance the message that you already have. So should video editors be afraid that AI tools are going to take their jobs or are going to churn out bad content? I don't think so. I think great editors will use tools to their advantage to empower their businesses and succeed. And hey, if you want to keep succeeding as a video editor, do yourself a favor and click right here to do just that.